name's Cortes, Defense Strategies Group. I'm about to demonstrate the Whack-a-molè drill. What you want to do is prep your sights and prep your trigger. What I mean by that is looking down your sights and being from safe to fire, finger on the trigger. So all you have to do is creep up, find your target, shoot, and go back down. Whack-a-molè drill. Remember to really focus on the amount of time you expose yourself, not coming up in the same spot once. Moving fast so you can come and engage your target again and look like a larger force.